Model, 69-plate Vauxhall Vivaro 2900 Sportive S, ULEZ compliant. Wow! Smiling face. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 103,194. MOT, the 22nd of October 2024. Engine, 1499 cc DV5 RUCD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox perfect. Pulls in all gears. No lights on the dash. A real head turner. This is absolutely spot on. First to see will buy this. Smiling face. Condition summary: bodywork is extremely clean and tidy. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is extremely clean and tidy. Immaculate, well looked after, pride and joy. First to see will definitely buy. Features: 0 former keepers, full service history, cruise control, parking sensors, electric windows, aircon. EU status: Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures.